Let's be real, most traders are just copying others without understanding what they are doing. They want fast profits without backtesting and they think someone's proven strategy will make them rich. It won't. In this video I'm going to tell you the truth about why most trading strategies fail and what you need to do if you actually want to succeed in trading. Hey everyone, I am Samuel, I am CEO of Hire Trader. I've seen thousands of traders come and go, and let me tell you, most fail. Not because they are not smart, but because they believe in shortcuts that don't exist. I could sit here and sell you get rich quick program, but that's not me. I want to be honest with you about what it actually takes to be a successful trader. So let's dive and talk about why the most trading strategies are garbage, the most common mistakes traders make, and what separates winning traders from the ones who quit. Most traders copy other traders because they want fast profits. They see strategy on Instagram, YouTube or Twitter and think that's their golden ticket. The problem? They have no idea how it actually works. No backtesting means no edge. If you are not testing a strategy on past data, how you know it actually works? If it was that easy, everyone would be rich. When thousands of traders trade the same strategy, it stops working. Markets evolve. If a strategy becomes too predictable, big players, fund and algorithmic traders will exploit it. The best traders don't copy, they innovate. Stop blindly following strategies you find online. Understand why a strategy works before you trade it. Why no one will teach you a winning strategy? A truly profitable strategy is not for sale. Think about it. If someone had a strategy that consistently made them money, why would they sell it to you? The best traders guard their edge because that's what makes them money. Trading mentorship sells dreams, not reality. It's easier for me to say buy this mentorship and you will make tens of thousands of dollars per month. But I want to tell you the truth. And the truth is that trading is a long-term game and you need to put in real work. If you want to really succeed, you need to put time and effort to develop your own trading strategy. Most of the traders don't want to learn, they want to get rich fast. The problem? Fast money in trading does not exist. If you rush into the market unprepared, you will become someone else's liquidity. Trading is a long-term process and you need to develop your own edge. You need to also understand the risk management. You need to build discipline over years, not weeks. If you think you will get rich quick, someone else will get rich quick out of you. The biggest winners in trading are the ones who are patient and strategic. The losers, the ones looking for shortcuts. If you are not willing to invest the time, you are better off not trading at all. Over-leveraging and risk management. Leverage is double-edged sword. New traders see high leverage as a shortcut to fast profits, but it's usually a shortcut to blowing up accounts. A professional trader risks maximum 0.5 to 2% per trade, while most beginners risk 20 to 30% in a single trade. Some traders don't use stop losses at all, hoping a trade will come back. Others set them too tight and get stopped out before the real move. Learn proper position sizing and risk management before you focus on making money. So do you still want to be a trader? If you do, forget about copying others and start developing your own trading edge. It won't happen overnight, but if you commit to the process, you will put yourself ahead of 90% of traders who fail. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what's the biggest mistake you see traders making.